Hey traders! How are you? Nice to see you back. With the weekly Forex analysis video, encourage our channel by subscribe and like our videos. Don't forget to comment too. Let's go the analysis video. This week will be filled with major economic events in the Forex market, which could be a watchful week for traders and investors in the recessionary fear. Following the Bank of Canada's 25 BPS rate increase and an indication that it would be pausing its rate hike cycle last week, the FOMC, BOE, and ECB will each have a chance to make monetary policy decisions on their own. Compared to the BOE and ECB, the FOMC is anticipated to increase rates by 25 basis points, BPS. Additionally, OPEC meets this week to decide whether to increase, decrease, or maintain output. The EU CPI and US non-farm payroll figures will make this a significant week for economic data as well. Let us see Dollar Index or DXY weekly analysis. The dollar index is at the long-term vital price zone of 101, which acting as a support at the time being. Bearish momentum during the beginning of 2023 has started to slow during last few weeks, and it shows a sign of reversal. This week dollar price moves would have an impact on major new releases like FOMC and NFP by Fed. Changes in interest rates play a vital role in dollar's strength. Let's see the analysis of EURUSD. Euro against dollar pair have been slight sideways during last 2 weeks, after January's second week bullish move. This pair played low-key during third and fourth weeks. After April 2022, this pair again touched the price of 1.09, facing a little resistance at 1.09 and the formation of a rising wedge pattern in the daily chart indicates the possible bearish movement in the coming days. In the upcoming week, EURUSD may go down towards the 1.75 zone and take support at the price before makes bullish move. Expectations are that ECB will hike 50 BPS to bring the key interest rate to 3%, and US job reports are considered to be vital factors for this pair's future moves. Next, we will analyze the pound against dollar pair. Irrespective of bearish moves on last week, pound against dollar pair is looking strongly bullish. First 3 weeks of the 2023 witnessed a strong bullish momentum. This pair looking clearly a great option for buyers. In the weekly chart, there is a formation of an inverted head and shoulder pattern is clearly visible, and waiting for breaking the resistance at the neckline at the 1.24500 price level. Bank of England meets on Thursday this week and expectations are for a rate hike of 50 BPS to bring interest irrespective of bearish moves on last week. Pound against dollar pair is looking strongly bullish. First 3 weeks of the new year witnessed this pair is clearly a great option for buyers. In the weekly chart, there is a formation of an inverted head and shoulder pattern is clearly visible, and waiting to be the breaking the resistance at the neckline at the 1.24500 price level. Bank of England meets on Thursday this week and expectations are for a rate hike of 50 BPS to bring interest rates to 4%, and the BOE's decision will make an impact on the pair's move for sure. Let's see the analysis of AUDUSD. January was great for Australian dollar against US dollar. Especially last week, this pair raised from the price of 90 to 92 mark. Demand seems to be higher for this pair currently. Expected more buyers may come to play in the future. This week Fed reports on interest rates could be a pushing factor for this pair. Inflation and other factors continuously hurting the dollar, and it is expected to continue for some more time in the future. Also, the demand zone resumes to bring the USDJPY down. USDJPY. After touching the last year's peak performance at the 150 mark, USDJPY had consecutive bearish months. After its peak performance on last year, bears holding strongly with this pair. Currently, the 130 price level rejects the price twice in the last 2 weeks. Price trending near the strong resistance zone. Expecting a bearish scenario would resume in the upcoming week too. Inflation and other factors continuously hurting the dollar. And it is expected to continue for some more time in the future also. The demand zone resumes to bring the USDJPY down. Now we will see the analysis of gold against dollar. Gold against dollar has started the year with a bullish month. In the first half of January, this pair had strong bullish momentum, but in the latter half of the month it moved sideways. Especially after the 16th, price trends between 1900 and 1945 price levels. In the coming week, analysis suggests that if the price breaks below 1915, it may go below the 1880 zone price mark, where strong support lies. On the other hand, if it goes up past 1945, then it has all the chance to touch the 1970 mark by next week. Februaryist week has enough potential to decide the movement of the XAUUSD. Due to major news like FOMC and NFP are to be held on the first week of February. Connexar Capital wishes you for profitable week. To open a live trading account or Forex training or Forex related queries, mail us at support@connexarcapital.com. Thanks for watching our analysis video. Kindly share, subscribe and like our videos.